Manifest your specific person for love fast by saying these 4 simple words. Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hoping a lovely day. Thank you so much for stopping by to manifest with me. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a really fun, cool technique that will allow you to tap into magnetic energy so you're able to manifest and attract the person of your dreams and attract your specific person. I talk a lot about now magnetic energy on this channel, and I really love this concept because when you tap into magnetic energy, you literally are able to attract anything of your dreams, of your desires, to manifest anything of your dreams. You're literally like a magnet. That's kind of a little fun little analogy, fun little metaphor to describe you as a person, so you're able to attract anything of your dreams. So it can be manifesting your specific person, more money, job, objects, experiences, anything you want to manifest. If you tap into magnetic energy, you're able to have anything you want very, very fast. And it's kind of like almost you having like the it factor. And when you have the it factor, you have anything that you want. It's just that life just opens up to you a lot more, and these things just happen for you, and sometimes you wonder, like, how does that even happen for me? It just came out of the blue. It's because the universe provided it for you, and you are in that alignment with magnetic energy. And also, when you are in alignment with magnetic energy, you're open to being seen, you are not afraid to not being seen, and it's just such a wonderful feeling to be in. And so we're going to say and apply this technique so you're able to tap into magnetic energy. And when you're doing that, you're going to be flying high, you're just going to be soaring high, and you're able to attract that person of your dreams. Before we jump right into this video though, I do have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide available, and in this guide I'm highlighting 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation. So if you're interested in that, just click the link down below, and also follow me on my social medias, my Facebook, my TikTok, and my Instagram. I sincerely appreciate that. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So this technique is called the WOW technique, and I haven't shared this technique yet on this channel until now, and I really enjoy this particular technique a lot because it really jumps right into and gets you right into the end result. And Neville Goddard talks a lot about the end result a lot, and is that if we achieve and are in the end result with our manifestations, we are now in alignment with our manifestations, and things just happen for us. And like I was saying about in my previous videos, that to obtain the end result and to be able to get yourself the end result, you already have to kind of act like you already have your manifestation right now in the present moment, not acting like in the position of, well, if I get this right now, I'm able to get my specific person right now. We already have to act like we are already in the relationship of our dreams, and we have to kind of linger in that state of that, and that, how does that make you feel? It's more like manifestation comes down to feeling. Feeling is the secret, and Neville Goddard talks about that. Feeling is the secret to the success of your manifestations. And that is kind of also in alignment with the ideology about magnetic energy, because the way that you feel is in alignment with drawing things to yourself, being open, being seen, and attracting things that you truly desire. And so in this case, we're going to be talking about manifesting your specific person. So when we do the WOW technique and we combine it with the magnetic energy, and we tap into magnetic energy by doing this technique, we are literally putting ourselves in the end result. Like, how exciting is that? The work's going to be done for you. We are feeling what it feels like to be in that relationship now. And so with the feelings of that, we're going to be tapping into magnetic energy, and with the power of those two, we're able to manifest our specific person right now. That's going to be super exciting for you. And the reason why we are going to be in the end result with this technique in tapping into magnetic energy is because we're going to be feeling what it feels like to be in the relationship right now. And if we just sit there and linger in that state long enough, that's all we need to do to manifest our specific person in our life and to tap into magnetic energy, because it's all about the feeling, and being in alignment with magnetic energy is being like kind of more your authentic self, and just being super excited and getting and just drawing those experiences and drawing that specific person into our life. It's that easy, that simple. And for the wow technique to really be super, super effective, I like to do it as a visualization technique, visualization exercise, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. If you don't have the time to kind of close your eyes or anything like that, you could just listen to my voice. So we're gonna just start this visualization. So what I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes and I want you to take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And I want you to get all nice and relaxed. I want you to picture yourself with your specific person together. You are in that relation with them right now. You're in love with them right now. Maybe you two are out together on a date, having dinner together. Maybe you two are snuggling together on the couch, watching your favorite movie together. Or maybe you're snuggling together watching a YouTube video. Maybe you two are together on a fabulous vacation. Maybe you two are together on a double date with your best friend. And with that picture in your mind, I want you to say, wow, we are together. Wow, I have them. Wow, they are mine. Wow, this is it. Feel the excitement to be in that end result. Wow, we are together. Wow, this is it. Wow, they are mine. Wow, it feels so good. And linger in that state as much as you want. Saying that wow statement as much as you want, smiling when you say it, breathing it in and enjoying the moment because you're in the end result. Now I want you to open your eyes. So yeah, the feeling is in the secret. So with that visualization, what I'm trying to accomplish in the video is I want you to picture yourself with you and your specific person doing something fun together, acting like you already have this relationship of your dreams. So you're going out and doing, going out to date at your favorite restaurant together, or you're going and snuggling together, watching a movie or watching a YouTube, or, going on vacation together. Those pictures and attaching a feeling with that is going to help you accelerate that manifestation, because there's already a feeling attached to it. If there's no feeling around your visualization, it's going to be really hard for your brain to kind of associate that, because our brain really likes feelings and emotions attached to objects, people, or experiences in order for that to manifest in our life. And so when we attach that feeling there, the feeling is the secret sauce. And when we attach that, we're now tapping into magnetic energy, because like I said, with magnetic energy, it's like you are open to opportunities, you're open to being seen, and especially being seen by your specific person and attached to objects, people, experiences, and attracting that, because you're not holding yourself back. You're actually open up to a lot of different things that you wouldn't even expect to experience. And so when you are not restricting yourself and you're not closed off, you're not trying to control how this specific person is going to come to you, you're just envisioning about, wow, this is going to be amazing to be with this specific person. That specific person is going to show up for you, because you literally drew them in with your energy, because your energy is so open, it's so fun, it's so happy, it's so warm, and that person's just going to come to you. So yeah, I want you to practice the wow technique, and remember that you're not just saying words, you're actually aligning yourself with this magnetic energy, and you're actually basically tapping into your true self, because a lot of times we're just kind of holding ourselves back from being seen and wanting to attract certain things. But when we're just really open and just warm and excited and happy, we're actually attracting things like a magnet. And that's what the wow technique is going to do. It's going to help you tap into the magnetic energy. It's going to help you get the it factor that's going to make that person be like, God damn, I want to be with that person. I want to be with you, because you are living your true self, your authentic true self, and that's just gonna draw that specific person to you. And additionally, by envisioning yourself with your specific person and feeling that wow statements, you're opening yourself to all the wonderful possibilities, and you're embracing that energy that draws what you desire. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Comment down below if the wow technique is working for you. I'm really excited to hear what your specific person is saying to you. If you have any questions for me about law of attraction, please leave it in the comment section down below. I also posted other meditation videos about manifesting your specific person, so definitely check those out. I also remember I have that free gift for you. It's my manifestation cheat sheet guide, and it helps you accelerating your manifestation. I also have other wonderful courses that will help you get the desired life, so definitely check those out in the description box down below. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!